fine. Okay. I'm sorry I didn't. I just wanted you guys to meet my lovely kitty cat, which might get very boring, but who cares? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. She was in the mood. And a pretty baby. She's a midget kitty. She's very small. She's 7 years old. Her name is Angel. And we found her by a barn. And she was very small. She was a runt of the litter, so her mother gave her up. Yeah. A sad kitty. I'm doing this through the camera. Don't do that. She likes the brush. She likes the brush. Oh, you won't show them how tall you are? Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Yeah. Your pretty face. You won't show them how tall you are? Wow. Come on. Come on. Come on, stand up. There you go. Yep, see? There you go. She's very short. She just backed off from me because she knew. She is looking at me like she's gonna get revenge. Sorry, I was looking somewhere else while I was taking that part. Well, bye-bye. The cat's looking at me very funny. Say bye-bye, kitty kitty. Or Angel / Angel. Say goodbye, Angel. Angel, say goodbye.